Oh, so you know what we're doing today, Kaya? Apaye is gonna cook a special food for us. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So I'm here with my mother-in-law, and you wanna say hi to everyone?
எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஹாய் சொல்லுமா.
ஹாய்.
என்ன பண்ண போறீங்க இன்னைக்கு?
இன்னைக்கு ரத்தம் பொறிக்க போறோம். ரத்தம் பொறிக்க போறோம்.
என்ன ரத்தம்? என்ன ஆட்டு ரத்தமா?
ஆட்டு ரத்தம், ஆடு வாங்கிட்டு வந்தா.
சரி.
ரத்தம் பொறிக்க போறோம்.
என்னது அப்புறம் வேற?
குடல் ஆக்க போறோம்.
Oh, Kudal, she's saying intestine. She's going to cook the intestine and she's going to cook blood. So let me show them the blood.
Alright, so this right here, they call it Kudal. It's goat intestine. Yeah, so today my mother-in-law will go ahead and take over the kitchen and she will go ahead and show you guys how this delicious meal is going to turn.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So these pots, we got them from Costco. It was really great deal. It comes in tubes, so this is really great. And they're so heavy right here. I think it's because it's great quality. But yeah, so let's get into the video right now.
Oh, I like your dress. Both of you dress. I don't know what do you call this one. What is this?
This dress, I don't know.
It's called nighty.
Nighty?
Nighty.
Nighty.
Because you wearing while you sleep.
Oh, really?
So nighttime. So it's like nighty. It's like literally like a pajama.
Like a pajama.
Yeah.
I love it because it's so comfortable. As
Looks-
you guys can see, my mother-in-law right here, she got a beautiful one with beautiful colors. So yeah, she got me this one. I love it. It's so comfortable.
Sounds like like today's pajama day.
Today's pajamas day, right? Okay, so we got all the spices ready. Here we got sliced onions, and she can go ahead and help me in Tamil.
ஆனியன், வெங்காயம்,
வெங்காயம் என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு சொல்லு.
கருவேப்பிலை, பச்சை மிளகா, ரத்தம், சோம்பு போட்டு தாளிச்சு வெங்காயம் பச்சை மிளகாலாம் போட்டு நல்லா வதக்கி ரத்தத்தை எடுத்து ஊற்றணும்.
ஓகே. எப்படி
கொஞ்சோண்டு உப்பு போடணும், சால்ட் போட்டு கிண்ட வேண்டியதுதான்.
Okay, so my mom is going to show you guys how to do it.
We're going to cook goat blood, and right here we're going to use for the intestine.
சின்ன ஊற்றியாச்சு, சோம்பு போட்டு வெங்காயம், பச்சை மிளகா, கருவேப்பிலை, பச்சை மிளகா, வெங்காயம், கருவேப்பிலை, அவ்வளோதான். நல்லா சவக்கணும்.
So yeah, this is really a first time for me to see this. Yeah, so right now she mixed blood with the onions and curry leaves all together inside the oil. As you guys can see, it changed color right now. So yeah, so the thing about this, I think it has to be keep mixing over and over, so otherwise it will stuck on the pot.
It's burn on the bottom. So after she mixed up the fresh blood, this is how it became, guys. You guys can see.
She likes this too.
Yeah, நீ உனக்கு பிடிக்குமான்னு கேக்குதுமா.
ஓகே, பிடிக்கும்.
Super good.
சூப்பர்.
Oh, it looks good. Very nice.
Wow.
Wow, this is a fresh coconut, guys.
Wow.
That's it.
It's done?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
That was so quick.
Uh-huh.
Wow, guys, this was so quick. As you guys can see, thank you so much for teaching me this. Rumba Nandri. You have to translate this.
Yeah.
I'm learning so much from you, especially cooking blood. This is literally a new style for me. Everything looks great. I think I have to try a little bit. I will never try it, so I will try a little bit and just to see how it tastes. Yeah, so this is the first dish, number one. The blood is ready, and as you guys can see, the color changed completely. The last touch was coconut, or organic coconuts. Everything looks perfectly. No, I will test the later on when everything is complete. So now we're moving to goat intestine. Atikoda. She is gonna go ahead and clean. She is really perfect at cleaning it. So That's what we're moving right now. So here's one thing I wanted to say. Normally we don't cook this all the time. This is really unusual for us to cook.
ரத்தம் சாப்பிட்றோம். ரத்தம் ரொம்ப சூப்பராக நல்லா இருக்கு. இந்தியா மாதிரியே இருக்கு. இந்தியா ரத்தம் மாதிரியே இருக்கு. இந்தியாவில் சாப்பிட்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. இந்தியா டேஸ்ட்.
Oh, it tastes like the one they cook in India.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great. Okay.
Mango juice.
Yeah. I'm waiting for goat intestine in order for me to test everything. Right
Yeah,
now.
she's still cleaning it.
She's still cleaning.
கொஞ்சம் சமம் வை.
She's putting water inside the intestine so that way it can clean really good.
சுத்தணியில் போட்டால் நல்லா இருக்கும்.
Like she did this, she did like that a couple times. And look at this. Wow. It's really good. So this is already ready to go right here. And she's doing a couple times to make sure that all the stuff are coming out of the intestine.
This is ginger garlic paste I made.
And you
Half
put
the
it.
bottle. So leftover. So I don't want to throw this one.
Oh my
So I'm
gosh.
saving the ginger garlic paste. Oh my gosh, smells good.
Yeah.
Wow, what do you guys is running there?
So that was a coconut mixed with
Sombu.
sombo
Yeah, sombu and kasakasa.
and
பட்டைக்கிராம்பு.
kasakasa.
அதில் என்னென்ன தேங்காய் என்னென்ன போட்டீங்க?
சோம்பு
ஆ
கசகசா.
சோம்பு கசகசா. கசகசா poppy seeds. Sombu is a fennel seeds.
Sombo.
தேங்காய்.
Yeah.
It sounds
Tenga, it's a coconut.
Tenga.
Tenga, it's a coconut.
Sombo, it sounds like a sombe, you know.
Yeah. So what is going on right
So
now?
right now we are. She is going to cook goat intestines. How do you call it?
Kodal. Kodal curry.
Kodal curry.
Kodal.
Kodal curry.
Uh-huh.
So she is going to show me how she makes kodal curry in her style.
Okay.
And this is going to be another dish that I'm going to learn from her. So far right now, the heat is at low temperature right now. That was the blood. It's
Looks
ready
good.
to eat.
Smell good.
right. So right now I turn on the stove at the low temperature, and she's gonna go ahead and take over the kitchen.
எண்ணெய் காஞ்ச விட்டு பட்டைக்கிராம்பு போடணும்.
Alright, so right now the oil, she added oil a little bit, so it's gonna take a little bit, probably a few minutes to cook. And once it's cooked, she's gonna go ahead and mix this
பட்டைக்கிராம்பு.
What is that?
mix of
இது என்ன
spices.
இருக்குன்னு சொல்லு.
பட்டை,
ஆ.
பூவு, ஏலக்காய்,
ஆ.
இது இப்போ இலை, சோம்பு
கிராம்பு.
Cranberry.
போடுறேன். இதெல்லாம் போட்டு எல்லாம் பொரியட்டும்.
As you guys can see, her style, she doesn't start it with onions and tomatoes like us. So she literally starts with all these smells, nice spices first. And then as soon as they cooked in the oil, bring that good smell, that's the time she mixes with the onions and the curry leaves and all this stuff. So her style is totally different. But this is the best time for me to learn. Next time when I wanted to cook something like this, I already know exactly what I'm doing. Yeah, so wow, that's really great. I can smell the spiciness, like all these mixture spices, you know. Kyle, what are you doing? Come here.
என்ன பண்ற?
Enna pandra? Enna pandra?
ஐபேட் விளையாடுறேன்.
iPad ennalara?
ஐபேட் பார்த்துட்டு உட்காந்துருக்கேன்னு சொல்லு. பார்த்து பக்கத்தில் வெங்காயம் போடும்போது பார்த்து போடுமா தெளிச்சிட போதும் மேலே.
So it has to cook to become like a more golden brown? Or?
Yeah, just like a good color, brown color.
Okay.
Yeah.
பட்டைக்கிராம்பு போட்டுட்டேன். வெங்காயம், கருவேப்பிலை போடுறேன். எல்லாம் போட்டு இருக்கிறேன், வதக்குறேன்.
Ooh, careful. Wow. I can do that. Okay. Wow.
இஞ்சி பூண்டு போடுறேன். இஞ்சி பூண்டு.
Alright, so that ginger garlic is added.
தக்காளி போடுறேன்.
Tomato. That's good.
போட்டு வதக்கலாம்.
So the process is totally different. For us, we started with the onions, tomatoes, and then So yeah, you see how guys to cook this. Her style is totally different. So she started first with whole spices in the oil, and then after that, she added onions and then tomatoes. For us, it's totally different. This is really great to learn. And now she's gonna add the other spices while the tomato is cooking. So one thing I will say that I wish we have a chair here for her, for her to sit down.
Yeah, she's tired.
Unfortunately, we cooked while we're standing up, right?
Back home, they sit down to cook. Can you
They
believe?
sit down and they right. Here you stand up throughout the whole process, and I'm sure that's the only uncomfortable that she is feeling right now. But she's doing amazing so far. We are halfway done.
Manjatul, turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder.
இஞ்சி பூண்டு போட்டு
It's behind it.
தக்காளி நல்லா வதக்கி வச்சுது. கறியை போடலாம். குடலை
Now you can put the kodal.
குடல்.
Kudal. Alright, so now I can go ahead and help her putting Kudal. Oh, look at this.
So the reason why we put oil less, because she putting the big fat chunk.
Oh, so that will create
That
more.
create only flavor,
Yeah.
but they're not gonna eat it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's
மிளகாத்தூள் போட்டாச்சு.
Coriander powder.
okay.
என்னது அது?
கொத்தமல்லி தூள், தனியாத்தூள்.
தனியா தூள். தனியா தூள்.
உப்பு போடுறேன்.
All the water.
ஆ.
More water?
அவ்வளோதான்.
So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this.
அது நல்லா வெந்த உடனே தேங்காய் ஊற்ற வேண்டியதுதான்.
ஆ.
தேங்காய் ஊற்றி இறக்க வேண்டியது. தேங்காய் ஊற்றின விட்டு இறக்க வேண்டியதுதான்.
Oh. It's good to go. I can't wait to taste it.
It's very delicious. I'm telling you.
What are you eating anyway?
And I'm eating goat blood. Because when you eat this, you add blood in your body.
Oh, I didn't know that. So this is the Indian style you eating first time.
I like it. It has a coconut. It has a pepper.
Ooh.
And it smells delicious. Oh my God.
So my mom say you can put the chana dal, the kadla paruppu, so it gives more flavor too. But she didn't put it.
Oh, she did it?
Yeah, she did not. But you don't have to, but you can put it if you're gonna have more flavors.
Yeah, and it have a taste. You feel like, oh my God, I'm eating this. I can even finish all the pork.
Muzi in tumbu tumbu. Hey.
Okay, so
Ooh.
let me open this. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Wow, look at the fat is all the way in the top.
Oh my goodness. It came out.
எப்படிமா இருக்கு?
சூப்பராக இருக்குது.
வெந்துருச்சா?
இப்போ என்ன தின்னு பார்க்கணும்.
No, I asked her if she cooked. She says yeah.
It came out really, really great. Look at this. Wow.
தேங்காய் ஊற்ற போகிறேன்.
Okay.
தேங்காய் சோம்பு எல்லாம் அரைச்சி வச்சுருக்கேன். தேங்காய் அரைச்சி ஊற்ற போகிறேன். உப்பு பருப்பு.
Let us know how it's looking so far, guys. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and test the soup, right? To see if the salt is good.
சூப்பர்.
You can taste the coconut. This reminds me of Sri Lankan style. When we went to the restaurants, we most of the food that they cook, they added coconut. So it really reminded me of Sri Lankan style.
It's good. Looks good.
Alright guys, so let's go and see the results right now. I'm gonna go ahead and open.
Ooh.
Wow! Super!
குடல் கறி பண்ணியிருக்கோம் ரத்த பொரியல் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and test right now. First, let me test with the blood. Yes, this is the first time. Okay. It's good, but I'm not a fan of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. That's a honest review. I like it.
I don't think I will eat it again.
Okay,
It's
that's
like,
fine.
With the blood, I don't know, some people might like it, but for me, when I just think about the blood, I can't do it no more. But here's my favorite one right here. This is so good. Not like him. This one, super. This one, no. First time, and I don't think I will eat it again. I love this one.
That's for only for flavor.
Curry, super.
சூப்பர்
But this
Blood
one,
பிடிக்கலையா?
the blood,
ஆ
mean, it's good. It's
India
super.
super.
But I don't like it. I don't.
அது
I don't
பிடிக்கலங்குது.
wanna taste it again.
அந்த இது ரத்த பொரியல் பிடிக்கலையா?
Yeah.
எனக்கு இது பிடிச்சிருக்கு அப்படிங்குது. ரத்த பொரியல் சாப்பிடாதான். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தடவை சாப்பிடுதான் அதனால பிடிக்கலங்க.
Rumba Nandri Aattu. It was a nice and it was my pleasure cooking here in the kitchen. This is amazing. Yeah, so if you like this video, leave thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe for more video, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video, right? Yes? Okay.